Our first step in finding the mean of group data is to add a new column, and in this new column, it's going to be our midpoint. And we're going to call that X. So our midpoint is the middle of the classes. So we add 2 and 6 and divide by 2, which gives us 4. 6 up to 10 would give us a midpoint of 8. 10 up to 14 would be 12. 14 up to 18 would be 16, and 18 up to 22 would be 20. Our next step is to multiply the frequency by this midpoint. So we're taking this column, multiplying it by this column to give us this column. So 1 times 4 would give us 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 10 times 12 is 120. 3 times 16 gives us 48. 2 times 20 gives us 40. Now our next step in this process is to add up our frequency times our midpoint, and that'll give us a value of 244. Our next step is to add our frequency column, which will give us our number of observations, which is 20. Now we're going to substitute the 244 into the top of our formula and the 20 into the bottom, and that'll give us a value of 244 divided by 20, which gives us 12.2, which we will round to no decimal places since there are not any in our classes. So we can conclude that it's 12 million is the average net income.